Nova Light, empowering women.
Our Nova Light Empowering Women Award to Clarissa Mutia Enriquez. Ito siya. Ito ang second na. Okay. Miss Clarissa, palakpakan naman po tayo.
Good day, Novolutions. So last January 3 po, while my sister was claiming her reward, dito din po, I quietly prayed in my heart, by your grace, Lord, pwede bang ako naman? And today, that prayer has been answered. As a woman, I firmly believe and live by this truth. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. But I make sure to stay committed and consistent. Also helping my subordinates with their advice, doing consistent follow-ups, and guiding them whenever needed. Through these experiences, I truly came to enjoy and love Novolution because it is a community where everyone is valued, supported, and empowered to grow. This victory is not mine alone, so as you can see po, there's some pictures, it belongs to the entire Batangas community. Thank you to everyone who supported me, believed in me. Your encouragement, prayers, and trust has strengthened me po. I would like to express my deepest gratitude also to my superior, Pastor Jasmine Hara, to my amazing team leaders, Mr. Zabi Acharon and Miss Carmen Enriquez. Thank you for your dedication, hard work, and unwavering support. And also po sa ating mentor, to Mentor Jack, thank you for your continuous motivation, wisdom, and encouragement. This victory is a living testimony of His faithfulness and a reminder that when we walk with Him, nothing is impossible. Maraming salamat po. All glory to God.